Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 572. Before we begin, let's show the local time here in Toronto, Ontario. It is 12:06 a.m. my friends. That means we are 6 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold in box break number 572 on August 17th, and we are ready to go. This is for one box of extended series, and it happens to be box 2 of 12. Now, I didn't have the product until today. So if you watch box break number 571, it shows me opening up a fresh case. I open up a fresh case. As I pull out the boxes, I label the boxes 1 through 8, because 1 through 8 have already been posted and are live on eBay already. If you see the serial number that I posted to the screen in box break number 571, you'll see that serial number there. It also marked with a number 2. And we'll be sure to show both of those before we open up the box, so you know we're opening the box we said we would. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Now there's some new guys with me, so we have to go over the rules. Let's use Bizik as an example. He has the Jackets, the Flyers, the Kraken, and the Knights in this box break. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack is going to contain a hit. That hit, and only that hit, is the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Philadelphia Flyer cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Bizik 1978 to a shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event, however, let's say that there are no Philadelphia Flyer cards, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Bizik because there was nothing to mail. I know we paid 65 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everyone, the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with all the hits from extended series. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Abna has the Leafs. Ailgoss has the Blues. Berger has the Bruins. Bizik has the Jackets, the Flyers, the Kraken, and the Knights. Dan Hall has the Red Wings. Dave has the Predators. Debomatic has the Flames and the Lightning. DK has the Rangers and the Senators. D-Tread has the Stars, the Islanders, the Penguins, and the Canucks. Duper has the Capitals. Herma has the Wild. Jamaica has the Blackhawks. Newfie has the Canadians. Nuxelkman has the Ducks. South Shore has the Avalanche. Steve has the Panthers and the Kings. Super Pop, the Coyotes, the Sabres, the Hurricanes, and the Devils. And running us out, Tintin has the Oilers, the San Jose Sharks, and the Winnipeg Jets. All right, 547433, as shown in clear in 571. If you watch that break, which posted on YouTube, I labeled it number 2. And that's the serial number that I showed up to the camera if you watch box break number 571. So this is 547433, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. I just want to make sure we're all systems go. We are. Here we go. Exciting product. They put Black Diamond in here. They put Trilogy in here. And they put SPX in here too. There we go. In addition to the Young Guns, Canvas Young Guns, a lot of fun stuff. All right, guys. Good luck, my friends. Box break number 572. Case number 1, box 2 of 12. Extended series. The cards are backwards. Start off with a Adrian Kempe, LA Kings. Upper deck canvas card. Our first hit goes to LA. What is that? I'm going to put it up to the camera because I can't read it. All-Star second team. Oh, but this is just a base card. Thought it was a hit, but the hit is behind of Mason McTavish. Nice hit. That is a Young Guns retro version of the guy you're looking for if you bought Anaheim. Congratulations, Anaheim. We have a Ryan O'Reilly, St. Louis Blues. I think that's an SPX card, but it's a Reflections. So nice hit for St. Louis. Yeah, they're all, when they played in the All-Star game, it's just part of the base set. They're just base cards. We have a clear cut of Zach Bogayasin for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Should be 4 of those per case, and one of them should land on a Young Gun. Young Guns for your Anaheim Ducks, Bryce Kindop. Congratulations, Anaheim. I guess they ran out of versions of how to make base cards, so they put some base cards like this one too. I guess they added some base cards that show that they played in the All-Star game. Connor Brown for your Ottawa Senators, canvas. We have a SPX of Caden Addison for your Minnesota Wild. Out of focus here. There we go. Yeah, they're all just regular base, 668, just a base card. Here's a base of retro going to your Nashville Predators, Roman Josi. They did the retro 0506 again. Young Guns, Nico Dawes for your Devils. Again, guys, we go boxes 3 and 4 tomorrow night. And so I hope I see you then. We have a Holo FX of Brad Marchand going to your Boston Bruins. A Jake Gensel, Black Diamond. Yeah, they're putting a base card of Black Diamond in here too, along with a rookie one. So hopefully the rookie one lands on somebody good too. A lot of different rookie variations in here. Young Guns Canvas, Nick Dawes going to your New Jersey Devils. That's a big hit. Congratulations, New Jersey. Halfway through. Is this a French variant or another All-Star? I can't tell. It is a French variant, and it happens to land on the base card of Mason Appleton going to your Seattle Kraken. You can see that just base card number 692. But it is a French variant. So going to your Seattle Kraken. Sometimes the French variant lands on a Young Gun and it's a Jean-Luc. But in this case, it just landed on a base card. A Igor Shesterkin retro base card going to your Rangers. So again, if you're unaware, these are the cards and only these cards are being mailed out. Everything else is base. Like I said, 1 hit per pack, like this one. Justin Barron. That's the guy you're looking for if you bought Colorado. Decent hit. Pretty good box so far. Just going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. We have another Holo FX, this time Mortiz Sider for the Detroit Red Wings. Not bad, congrats. A Jack Eichel Black Diamond. Good to see him in a Vegas uniform. Just a base card. Oh, double diamond. Nice hit for Vegas. I wonder if they're going to give the 4 diamond rookies inserted randomly. Another All-Star card. A upper deck canvas of Casey Middlestat. Going to your Sabres. Young Guns of Alex Protas. Going to your Washington Caps. Arvid Soderstrom for your Chicago Blackhawks. Oh, Soderblom. Still a few packs to go. Then we will show who owns the last hit. We'll go back to the main screen and sign off with the time. A Tage Thompson, Buffalo Sabre. Retro card. Again, there's 4 of those per box, and one of them lands on a Young Gun, which I do believe we've received already. And we have a Sebastian Aho, numbered out of 300. I guess this is a numbered reflection. Very nice for Carolina. Good looking card. And we had a SPX Finite Cole Caulfield. There's one of these bad boys per box. And looks like it's landing on the Humdingers. Nice hit from Montreal. Out of 299? Out of 2,999. Congratulations, Montreal. Final pack, final hit. Like I said, 1 hit per pack. 24 cards going out. And the final hit is a Young Guns of Fabian Zetterlund going to your New Jersey Devils. So let's get back to the main screen, show who owns New Jersey, and sign off with the time. All right, we're back here. New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey. Did I miss it? No, Super Pop owns that last hit. Congratulations. And let's get to the time. I'll hit refresh. It is now 12:20 a.m., my friends. Thanks for joining. Boxes 3 and 4 go tomorrow night. It's a pretty exciting product. Hope to see you in on those. Thanks, everyone.